Plot correlation matrix using pandas. I have a data set with huge number of features, so analyzing the correlation matrix has become very difficult. I want to plot a correlation matrix which we get using dataframe.core function from pandas library. Is there any built-in function provided by the pandas library to plot this matrix?
You can use plot.matcho from matplotlib. Edit. In the comments was a request for how to change the axis tick labels. Here's a deluxe version that is drawn on a bigger figure size, has axis labels to match the data frame, and a color bar legend to interpret the color scale. I'm including how to adjust the size and rotation of the labels, and I'm using a figure ratio that makes the color bar and the main figure come out the same height. Edit 2. As the df.core method ignores non-numerical columns, .select_types, number should be used when defining the X and Y labels to avoid an unwanted shift of the labels, included in the code below.
If your main goal is to visualize the correlation matrix, rather than creating a plot per se, the convenient pandas styling options is a viable built-in solution. Note that this needs to be in a backend that supports rendering HTML, such as the JupyterLab notebook. Styling. You can easily limit the digit precision, or get rid of the digits altogether if you prefer the matrix without annotations. The styling documentation also includes instructions of more advanced styles, such as how to change the display of the cell the mouse pointer is hovering over. Time comparison. In my testing, style.background_gradient was 4x faster than plt.macho and 120x faster than sns.heatmap with a 10x10 matrix. Unfortunately, it doesn't scale as well as plt.macho. The two take about the same time for a 100x100 matrix, and plt.macho is 10x faster for a 1000x1000 matrix. Saving. There are a few possible ways to save the stylized data frame. Return the HTML by appending the render method and then write the output to a file. Save as in .xslx, file with conditional formatting by appending the to_excel method. Combine with imkit to save a bitmap. Take a screenshot, like I have done here. Normalize colors across the entire matrix. Pandas is greater than or equal to 0.24. By setting axis equals none, it is now possible to compute the colors based on the entire matrix rather than per column or per row. Single corner heat map. Since many people are reading this answer, I thought I would add a tip for how to only show one corner of the correlation matrix. I find this easier to read myself, since it removes the redundant information.
Seaborne's heat map version.
Try this function, which also displays variable names for the correlation matrix.
If you want to see more,